Hi everyone. Today we will simulate a simple database connection using Visual Studio 2022 and SQL Server Developer Edition. We will create application in C# language for database connection, and we will do it using LINQ to SQL feature. Before starting, we check whether the LINQ to SQL option is installed from the Visual Studio installer program. We are creating a new Windows Form project in C# language in Visual Studio 2022 program. We set the database file that we will use from the SQL Server Management Studio program and put sample data in it. We add a button in datagrid in the design area in Visual Studio program. Then we add LINQ to SQL classes to the project. We create a database connection from the Server Explorer section and drag and drop the table inside the database file to the dataclasses area. By clicking the button in the design interface of the program, we are coding the scenario that will occur in the click event of the button. The dataclasses object provides the program's database connection. After setting the connection, we write the codes that determine the data to be brought from the database and add the display code in the datagrid object. When we press the button after running the program, the data in the database comes to the datagrid object. With the LINQ to SQL feature in C#, we have come to the end of the data extraction process from the database. Thanks for watching. See you.